Hello friends, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about what is SIB in Java. So what do you mean by SIB? SIB means Static Initialization Block. SIB is created with static keyword with the brackets. SIB don't need to create object to run the SIB, right? So what I have did here, I created a class A and created SIB. How we can create SIB? SIB is created with static keyword with the brackets. So that's why I created with static and brackets. I created main method and there is no need to create object to run the SIB. So let's run the program and see the output. It's giving me output from SIB, right? So and there is one more class B, and here I did what I did. I created a static variable. This is static variable and created SIB. And here static variable is without initialization, and here I initialize that variable. So we can initialize static variables within SIB, and here we created main method. So let's run the program and see the output from main, right? So we can initialize static variable inside SIB, right? And here, suppose if there are multiple SIB, then which SIB is going to run first and who is going to run later? And SIB runs only once. SIB runs only once, right? So if there are multiple, so SIB runs before main method, and it does not require invoking statement. Means we don't need to create object to call SIB, right? So when there is SIB in sequence, the first one is going to run first, and next one, and then next one, right? So this is SIB, and this one is also. So there are two SIB. So first one is going to run first, and then next, and from then main method. So let's run the program and see the output. So save and launch, right? So it's giving me from SIB1, SIB2, and from main method, right? Here class D, we can't initialize non-static variable inside SIB, right? SIB runs before main method. It does not require invoking statement, right? So this is static. But if I am creating a non-static variable and try to like here I am giving value j and trying to initialize this variable, then so it's giving me this error, right? So we can't initialize non-static variable inside SIB, right? So let's remove it, right? So that's all guys in today's session. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Bye bye. Take care.